सेंट फ्रान्सिस झेवियराचेर आक्षेपार्ह विधान प्रकरणात गौतम खट्टराचो भाव माधव खट्टराक वास्कोच्या JMFC कोर्टान जामीन मंजूर केला। न्यायालयान माधव खट्टर हाका 10,000च्या बॉन्डाचेर जामीन मंजूर केल्ल्याचें कळटा। हे विशींचो औपचारीक आदेश न्यायालयाच्या संकेतथळाचेर अपलोड जातलो अशी म्हायती मेळ्ळ्या।
Bail application of Madhav Khattar was heard by the JMFC Vasco today. It was for arguments today in the afternoon session. By 5 o'clock we are expecting an order and it is already passed by 5:30. The application has been allowed with certain conditions, 10,000 surety. The rest of the conditions I am still not exactly aware because order is not yet uploaded. But I'll be coming to know the order by tomorrow morning, exactly precisely what is the order, and the rest of the formalities would be completed by us by tomorrow.
Something about the arguments?
As far as our arguments were concerned, our basic contentions were that he was arrested from Dehradun and he travelled from Dehradun to Goa without being produced before the magistrate. So he was not produced within a time period of 24 hours. That was the first contention. The second contention basically was that there is a requirement as per law that a notice has to be given before either you could arrest a person in offences which are punishable up to less than 7 years. So that is not that was not complied with by the police. So there was non-compliance of a very strict procedure of law basically. So that was another contention that was very seriously raised by us. And otherwise, Madhav was a 18-year-old boy. The police came up with a version that it was Madhav who wrote the speech for Gautam, which Gautam ultimately spoke. But during investigation, again it is come very clear that speech was written by Gautam himself and spoken by Gautam. So there is absolutely no any evidence as against Madhav in the present offense. And I am happy that his bail application comes to be granted today.
This is a victory day for Hindutva forces, as also it is a day to celebrate. At last, Madhav Khattar has been released on bail. In his case, it was a sheer injustice that a 18-year-old boy was arrested, he was paraded in a burqa, and finally with the efforts of advocates such as Mr. Nagesh Joshi, Mr. Ameya Prabhu Desai, we have secured this bail. There was a great contribution from Sri Ghanshyam Upadhyay from Mumbai, who was managing all drafting and the legal assistance, and Yogesh Deshpande, who was coordinating efforts of all advocates. So I congratulate Mr. Nagesh Joshi, Mr. Ameya Prabhu Desai, Mr. Ghanshyam Upadhyay and Mr. Yogesh Deshpande. A great day for all of us. Now the next round of battle starts. We will have to teach a befitting lesson to all those erring police officials who have indulged in such illegal acts. And the next petition to be filed by Madhav Khattar would take care of all these things.